Hi guys, so it's 29th May today and the time right now is actually 9 p.m. Today is actually my mom's and dad's 25th anniversary, and yeah, that's why I'm all a little dressed up and ready. And from morning I didn't get to do anything. The silver jubilee celebrations, right? We had like a super big plan and all last year in the hope that this year everything is gonna be fine, but it wasn't clearly, so we didn't really do anything. And even from the past few days I've been a little sick, not sick, but I wasn't really feeling healthy. Like I was sleep deprived, and I was taking a lot of stress, and even there were a lot of college projects and works going on, so it was a mess. I'm still a little sleepy and not so well, and today also I had like a college presentation, so that is what it is. So now we are going to go cut a cake, actually break a cake, because it's a piñata cake. Piñata, that's how you pronounce it if I'm not wrong. So yeah, that is what we are gonna be doing right now. And we also ordered ourselves some dinner because I didn't make anything special, and I wanted to eat something from outside because it's been a while. And yeah, this is how I look like, and this is the dress I'm wearing. Ignore the mess in the background. This is the dress I'm wearing. I really like it. It's simple, sophisticated, and at the same time very well put together. I'm sure I got it from Ajio. So yeah, let's go. So guys, this is how the cake looks like. It says happy anniversary and 25 years of love. My brother ordered it actually. It looks so pretty. Now let's break it. And I think there is like a pineapple cake or something inside. And there are also these pretty flowers on the side, like little details which I missed. And this broke. Yeah. And here comes our food. It's very heavy. Actually, it looks small, but it's heavy. Yeah. These are all this equipment in the store. Let's ignore that, but it doesn't close. Hi guys, so here's the dinner. We have some manchuria, we have some methi chaman, my favorite curry, we have some butter, and we also had like chili paneer. If you guys know me, you know that I hate paneer, so I didn't put it in my plate. Here's the dinner. I'm really hungry. So guys, we got some food today from my dad's colleague. So first we have some mutton balls. They are like so yum. We actually ate some, me and my mom, so that's why they look less. And then we have some mutton keema. I haven't tasted, but looks so yum. And then we have, I'm not sure if this chicken or fish, I'm literally confused, but I think it's chicken only. So we have chicken. So good. So guys, I think Charan, my friend, sent me these, so I got something from Guilt Trip. So let me just quickly open it. It's like a pre-birthday gift, and I'm so excited. This says happy birthday, Shraddha. Oh my god, how cute. Oh my god, I can't wait to open it. Wow. Oh my god, how pretty are they? Wow, they're so cute. I like this color so much. It's so pretty. Hi guys, so I'm finally done with 3 looks. If you can see, I put like a little pony and I'm loving it. I'm even loving the makeup. Everything is on point. And yeah, I'm done filming after two hours. I think I've done 3 reels. So yeah, now I'll sit for some time, chill, edit the reels, and then we'll do some skin prep. For tomorrow, I'm not gonna be doing a lot. I'm just going to be applying like a face mask or something like that. Let's see. Tomorrow is my birthday. Good morning, guys. So I'm starting my day with this beautiful cupcake, and I'll show you what all I got. Once I'm done having my breakfast. Like, wait, look how pretty. I don't know why I sent my, yeah. Look how pretty this is. Oh my god. And also I got these, guys. These are supposed to be one of my favorite snacks, but I didn't realize it says cheese balls, and it tastes not very nice. I don't like it at all. Corn puffs or something. I like them. I don't like them. It's 2nd June, and I'm just done filming all of my gifts video. I love all of them. I'm so excited to with them. Starting my video with a little mishap. I ordered my camera a memory card, and it was a micro one. I didn't even realize that. Put to return it. I have zero knowledge about technology again. Like, I don't know what goes where, how to use this camera. I still have to learn a lot. So we all are watching Manikarnika the movie in our hall. So I'll go watch a movie and wait. Today we are doing like a super fun challenge. I have been delaying doing this for months together now, but today we are gonna be doing it for sure. So it's like a spicy noodle challenge and I'm so excited to do it. Louis, that's my ribbon. Look at him, guys. Bad boy. What is this? What is this? Ah! So guys, these are the noodles I was talking about. I ordered them off Amazon. I've seen a lot of people try it and I really wanted to give it a try. I'm not really sure how do I make it, but let's figure it out in a second. Basically, you need to boil some water, and into the boiling water you're supposed to add the noodles. And as you can see, the water is boiling, so I'm just adding these noodles into it, and you have to simmer it for like 5 minutes. So let's do that. So if you can see, I kind of have separated the noodles and they are a little hard, so I'm just going to let it be like this for some more time. Also, these are the two other things which I got in the package. This is the sauce and this is the seasoning. I think this is the spicy sauce. I guess the noodles are ready. I just need to, drain off the water. So I'll do that and be back. You need to add the sauce. Oh my god, it's black. It's almost black. Oh my god. You then need to stir fry it for like few minutes. So let's do that. It has a weird smell actually, which is not great to be honest, but it looks good. So I'm just stir frying it for some time. Then you have to add the seasoning. I don't know how is this chicken. What's chicken in this? I really don't understand. It says hot chicken flavor. Okay, maybe it's chicken flavor and it doesn't really have chicken in it. So yeah, it's ready. Let's eat it. And I'm excited. I'm scared. So I'm excited and scared at the same time. Let's have it now. So guys, this is how the noodles look like. They look super red in real more than on camera. And here is my survival kit. We have some chocolates, we have some milk, and we also have like a bottle of water. Let's do it. Hi guys, I really hope it's not very bad. So let's take our first bite. To be honest, coming to me, have like a, just a second, I have like a very high spice tolerance level, but I don't know. I've seen a lot of such videos and people freaking out, so it's my turn. Let's. What? Why is it hot? I mean, why is it spicy? It's spicy. It's sweet for me. Like, I've kept all of these arrangements in front of me and I'm sure I can eat it. I don't see how is this spicy whatsoever. I'm shook. I didn't think I'll feel as spicy as most of the people think it is, but it's not spicy. How is this spicy, guys? Did I order the right pack of noodles? Do let me know down in the comment section below, because I'm not sure whatsoever. To be honest, it doesn't taste well at all for me, at least. It has a weird smell. It has a weird taste, I mean. I think the spice is starting to come in. Oh yeah, I think the spice builds up. Initially I thought it's sweet, but now I can definitely sense a little spice. Okay, if that's how it works, but I haven't taken a sip of anything until now. hot. Should we do like a time lapse? I don't know. Let's do a time lapse because this thing I'll keep on eating for 1 hour straight. Guess what? I'm done. It was... The after effect is spicier than the time I'm eating it. I think the faster you eat, I'm all over the place. The faster you eat, the less you're going to feel the spiciness. I'm drinking some water after this is done. Proud of myself, done the challenge. Also, my lips are burning a little bit, but it's fine. I'll have munch. Coming back, I still don't think the noodle was as spicy as people exaggerated it to be, or maybe I have high spice tolerance levels, I don't know. But you know what I feel whenever like the air is touching your tongue, or and you give more gap between eating, that is when you're feeling like the highest heat and not elsewhere. My lips are burning. Yeah, that was my take on it. I'm sweating a little bit, but it's okay, I'm done with the challenge. I've seen a lot of people, having diarrhea the next day. I hope that doesn't happen to me. But this was the spicy noodle challenge. I enjoyed it. I didn't even drink milk. I wish not to drink milk because I hate milk. I hate milk products. Yeah, it is for today's challenge. I'll see you in a while. Guys, so it's 3rd May today and the time right now is actually around 4 p.m. and I'm watching Big Bang Theory for like the 100th time. And if you remember my birthday cake, this is how it looks like right now. It was literally taking more than half of my fridge, so my mom placed it in this dabba. Personally, I would like to put a spoon and eat it, but my mom is going to kick my ass because there's so much of it. Wait. There is literally another box in here filled with cake, if you can see. And here are the white chocolate, the thing. And here is our another fridge. And here is my piñata cake. It actually has gems in it, I wanted it to be filled with gems, but they just put in like gems packets in it. I don't know where the Kit Kat come from, but there are brownies inside. And I think there is more cake here. Oh yeah, there is more cake in here. And there is another cake here. This is my mom's and dad's anniversary's piñata cake. It has pineapple in it, so we are house full of pineapple cake now. Okay, I ruined it. Let's quickly escape from here. Hi guys, so I just ordered myself some Taco Bell and my family ordered some biryanis. There's more inside which I was not interested in. And look, the Pepsi has leaked completely in this cover. So yeah, whatever. So oh shit. Wow. Great. Anyway, so coming inside, I ordered my regular veg Big Bell box, wherein I also got myself some churros because I love their churros. I feel they are the best. I ordered some churros with chocolate sauce, and then we have some cinnamon sticks and fries. Then we have a burrito, a veg burrito, and then we have a taco. And yeah, these are like my favorite sauces, so we have those. So yeah, I'm just quickly going to enjoy my lunch and be back. That will be pretty much it for this vlog, guys. Bye.